It is the true wireless earbuds. As you can obviously tell, these are a knockoff of the AirPods, except these work with both Android and iOS devices, starting with the iPhone 5 and newer and the Galaxy S4. It says you can listen to music. You can take hands-free phone calls, so I assume it has a built-in microphone. Listen to podcasts and much, much more. This is also the case that I assume you charge it in as well. Knockoffs. But I've always thought that AirPods look stupid. And yeah, so this is what they look like. Pretty long. And one is the master and one's the slave. And basically, when the slave dies, it'll just die and you only have the master headphone working. And when the master dies, neither headphone will work because the master is what syncs to the slave, and that is exactly what they are called. But let's see. Oh, they are very bulky. Very bulky. And this is another reason why I've never liked AirPods is because I think they look dumb.
Power on.
Yep. And it'll flash blue and red. ASOV TV at the very top, and that's how you know it's connected. The left one is dead because it keeps saying power on, power on, power on, but the right one is connected, so I will be turning the left one off until I charge it, and I'll listen to it, give my thoughts, and then play it through this headphone into the microphone of the Zoom H5. To my ears, it doesn't sound like it's bass heavy, which a lot of cheap headphones are bass heavy, and I get really annoyed by that because it makes the vocals muffled and the instruments and everything else really loud. So I will play this into the microphone at maximum sound. What did you think? Does it sound good? Does it sound bad? Did you like it? Did you not like it? So far, with the one that I've heard, I like it. Um, Charge time is supposed to be around 2 hours, which isn't bad. I mean, I've never had a Bluetooth headset that took less than an hour to charge fully, so 2 hours isn't too bad. I mean, you can find something else to do throughout the day. If you're in lockdown, then you're pretty much screwed. But yeah, so far I think these are great for $20. I do like them. Maybe my opinion of AirPods and AirPod knockoffs has changed. I certainly hope so. But I will never spend $200 to $400 on AirPods that have an Apple symbol.